What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be welding up a new table for the welder. So got a new welder from Harbor Freight and we're going to put it to the test. And yeah, so try to put a table together. Got this scrap metal right here. Let's check it out. So we're going to see what we can do with it. So let's go ahead and get it. So we are halfway done now. So we got this set of legs. Now we just gotta cut a little bit more and get this set of legs. Let's get it. So we've got the second set of legs right here, and square them up and weld them together. So this is basically the frame, so how it's gonna look like. So we got the two legs on each side, and we got the square tubing that's gonna hold it in place. Gotta probably cut one of these right here on the, probably that one right there, make it a little shorter. That's pretty much it. So it's going good so far. So here's our first piece right here. We got one side of the legs, and we got the support that's gonna connect them. So grinded down all the material, and now we're just gonna tack it in and hope everything goes well. So we got one of the support pieces welded on right here, and now we got these other three legs that we gotta weld together and turn it into one long stick like that. So let's go ahead and try that now. So we've got both of the supports now, and we just got to weld the leg to the supports, both the supports. They kind of don't match up, so we're gonna have to bend it a little bit, this one for sure, and just roll with it, because yeah, but other than that, works pretty good so far. So